Hi, today in front of me Redmi Note 11 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So let's first open the settings app and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see notifications, tap on this section, and here you'll see the online notifications. You can use them, or also if you want to use the default notification sound, you should switch ringtone to profile, tap to ringtone and select one from these available sounds. Then just tap to apply. OK, and so the sound applied successfully. Now let's go back to the sound and vibration section, and we can see that we just successfully changed notification sound on our Redmi device. That's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.